Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send messages on YouTube in 2018. So with the most recent update of YouTube, they kind of brought messages back. If we look up on our icon here on the top right, we can see there's now a contacts panel and you're going to be able to send and receive messages and see them all in this little icon right here. YouTube's trying to change this platform to a more social media site so you can send videos over this and messages. I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is select the user you want to send a message to. In this case, I'm going to be using Zetor as an example. Once you arrive on the user's channel, what you want to do is come to the About section on their channel. And then you're going to be looking for underneath their stats, there should be a flag and there should be this little message icon right here. To actually send the user a message, what you need to do is click this message open. You're going to have to accept the CAPTCHA on screen to prove you're not a robot. Click the next button and then you can send your message. Now this isn't the prettiest input for a message, but it does work. We're going to be sending a message right now. Once you have your message entered, all you want to do is click the send button right here and then your message will be sent. Anyway guys, it's that easy to send messages on YouTube in 2018. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free. I put a lot of work and time and effort into them. If you want to support me to keep making them, I'd recommend checking that out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.